Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a discount code to your truck profile page. Discounts help you attract more customers and increase your sales during promotions or special events. We'll start by creating a new discount from scratch. To navigate to the offer creation form, click on the Offers tab in your main navigation menu. Hit the Add Offer button to start creating your new discount. Let's start by giving your offer a clear title that customers will recognize. Add a description that explains what the discount offers and when customers can use it. Create a memorable discount code that customers will enter at checkout to apply this offer. We need to define what type of discount this will be, so click on the Discount Type drop-down menu. Select % from the options to create a percentage-based discount. Enter the percentage amount you want to offer in the % off field. Let's set when this discount offer will be active. Click the calendar icon next to Start Date and choose when you want the offer to begin. For the end date, click its calendar icon, navigate to the month you want, and select the final day when this discount will be available to customers. Now that all the details are set up correctly, click the Create Offer button to finalize your new discount. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the offer was created successfully, and your new percentage-based discount will now appear in your offers list, ready to be used by your customers. And that's it. Your new discount is created. You now know how to add a discount to your food truck. Hope this helped you out.